Hello, this is a tutorial on how to use Cura. Cura is a splicing software we must use before 3D printing. I will be going over how to import your CAD from Tinkercad and the settings needed before printing. So, to start off, to import is simply by clicking this File button on the top left and then finding your CAD. When you click on your CAD, you are able to see tools on the left side. With these tools, you can enlarge your image, you can rotate it, and you can do many more. Now I will show you the settings needed for the 3D printer. So on the top right over here is the settings. There are three main settings that I recommend for the best outcome. For the infill, I recommend 20%, as it's not too thick where it'll take a long time, but it still gives a good structure support. Infill is how much the 3D print is filled. The higher the infill is, the longer the print will take, but the more sturdy and stronger it is. Supports are when you need to generate supports for things that are hanging off without anything underneath it. We typically like to use tree, as normal is too strong and hard to take off of your 3D print. Tree allows your print to be saved, rather than normal will cause it to kind of get stuck together. Then adhesion. There are three types of adhesion plates. There are skirt, brim, and raft. Depending on how big your surface area of your 3D print is to the plate is what you should do. Usually if your 3D print has a big, large surface area that's connecting it to the plate, it will only need a skirt or none, possibly. If it has a smaller surface area to the plate, then it might need raft or brim. For this thing, I will not need any adhesion plates, so I can turn that off. You can also go to Show Custom to look at more types of settings. The other settings are not as important as these three main ones. Let me turn mine to none. Once you're done, now you just click on Slice, and then it will give you an estimate of how long it takes, how much roll you would use. And then you would plug in your SD card and save to disk. That is all for the Cura tutorial. Thank you.